Hello po, I am Kylie Reza Macapanas, an Apo Gamma Pi Futures Omega grantee. I applied po for this grant to receive financial help with my living expenses here in Baguio. And with that, masasabi ko po talaga that the grant really helped me financially. Sobrang laking bagay po talaga siya sa akin. Pero besides that financial aspect, my experience po as a grantee gave me a chance to be part of a group, mga co-grantees ko po, to build a project that will help people in the community. Madami po ako natutunan during the process and masaya po ako na naging party po ako nun. Kaya I am very thankful po sa inyo for building this opportunity. Sobrang laking help po siya sa amin and looking forward po ako na magtuloy-tuloy pa po ito. Maraming salamat po!